What's up, everybody? My name is Jonathan, aka Klein Guy John. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the Milwaukee M12. Well, more like quarter-inch impact driver protective boot. This is supposed to outfit into the M12 Gen 2 impact driver. I want to see how this gets assembled, and that's coming up right after this. So what we got here is the Milwaukee quarter-inch hex impact driver protective boot. It is model number 49-16-2553. It is for use with the M12 Fuel 2553-20. Quarter-inch hex impact driver. It's pretty cool. This boot is made in China. And I'm going to unbox this. Let's do it. Let's open it up. I'm actually kind of excited. This came in through Acme Tools. And the price range for this, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, on Acme Tools, and I'll leave the description and the link down below in the description section. Let's get it open. Let's try it out. Let's get it open. So here you got these little dots here. You can see little dots right above. Just gonna cut along up top first thing. Cut along on the side here. It seems though it's got these little inserts here. You can just basically pull it out. Whoa! There goes the boot. What I booted. So here it is. It's pretty nice. Look at this. Real nice. It's got the engravement logo, just like the back of the drill. You see, zoom in for you guys here. It's got a little, it says fuel brushless. It's even got the viewer for the mode, and then you got the what you have here is the opening ends. You got the openings basically for the ventilation. It's got the Milwaukee logo on the side here. That's pretty cool. Let's try it out. What I got here is the Milwaukee M12 Gen 2 impact driver. Right now I got like 2 bars left on it. Let's see how it fits. So what we want to do here is basically, I guess from the looks of it, it's pretty stretchy. Not too bad. I guess you can stretch it out a little bit. Let's see. You got your openings for the clip. Let's see how it works. Let's just take out the battery. First thing you want to take out the battery. Let's see. I guess you could put in the collet end first. I guess that's how it goes in. It's a little rough around the edges. I'm guessing I have to take out, or maybe I have to go from the back first. Yeah, it looks like I gotta go through the back. Let's see here. I guess I'm supposed to take out the belt clip, but let's see. Okay, I got that. Never put on these boots before, so guys, cut me some slack if you guys are watching this and leaving. You're like, oh my God, he doesn't know how to put on the boot. Oh gosh, oh my God. Okay, it's very. I mean, I don't want to try to rip. I mean, it's all rubber. I don't want to rip the rubber out, rip it off. So I guess I'm just gonna go with the front. Sorry guys, you're not able to see what I'm doing here. Okay, so it looks like it's sort of kind of sliding through. Just got to rubber it right in there. So now I just got to get the belt right on there. I got to shift it around a little bit. Due to the belt clip being in the way as of right now, got a little bit of a struggle right in this general area here. Backed up a little bit. Let me show you guys real quick. You see right there. So it's not really forming too well, as you can see here from the back. See how it's just a little lopsided? I'm gonna try to get that. Maybe I have to take out the belt clip, or maybe not, or maybe I do. Yeah, it looks like I gotta take out the belt clip, and I'm guessing that this rubber molding, the boot itself, is supposed to basically not sit in this way. Let's try with this nail clipper here. Maybe I can tuck in the rubber boot. There we go. Now it's taking form. Alright, so now it's taking form. Just got to basically slide it in between. There you go. There we go. Look at that. Not bad. Pop the battery in. Look at that. You get some. You still get. There's no restriction. There's definitely no restriction to the flow of air going through. That is pretty cool. Oh, it fits out really nice. Look at that. I can grip it. It gives you a lot more grip when you're grabbing on the body of it. Looks pretty cool. It fits in really well. The only thing that's an issue, those of you who have the boot or planning to purchase the boot, the protective boot for your M12 Impact, for this Gen 2 model, when you're putting it on, you might want to put in like maybe your flathead screwdriver, basically to push in the boot, part of the boot behind the belt clip. So see how I'm going to show you guys what I'm saying. So right here, behind this belt clip, right around this general area, when you put it on, it'll scrunch up. It'll scrunch up, and it won't align too well. So what you do is get a flathead or something like a flat piece of object, and just sort of just gently and gradually just tuck her right behind the belt clip, or just completely remove the belt clip off, put the boot on, then put the belt clip on back on. You're ready to go. But me, I was too excited. I had to put it on right away. But it worked out. And if you like videos like, that have protection for tools, and you want to see your tools protected, especially your power tools, then check out acmetools.com. This is where I purchased it. They even have, it's very limited. They have now, this was brand new. It's out now for these these Gen 2 Impact drivers. You can also get them with your Impact wrenches as well, like for your M18s and your M12s. Go to acmetools.com and go to the Milwaukee brand. Go to brands, Milwaukee, and then scroll down to accessories. And you'll find it categorized as power tool, M12 power tool accessories. You'll find the boot. It's listed as a brand new accessory. I love the feel of it. I feel like it's more protected now. So if I drop my tool, it won't have. I guess it'll absorb more of the shock when I drop it. Watching videos like this on my channel, consider subscribing and hit the bell notification, because I do tool review videos, unboxing, tool demonstration, job site tag-alongs. Also, I do morning service call segments. It's just a live Q&A up in early morning start to start your day, and Q&A every Sunday at 7 p.m. And as always, guys, be safe out there. Wear your personal protective equipment. Watch each other's backs. Help one another out. Take care. And I'll see you guys all on the next one. Can't wait to use this. Just can't wait. You like that video? Why don't you smash that like button down below. Also, if you got any questions, leave a comment down below. If you want to see some tool reviews, tool demonstrations, or even some job site tag-alongs, What are you waiting for? Subscribe! Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you on the next one.